How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Well, got kind of a different video for you tonight. A couple of things I want to talk about. One of them is, a while ago I got a letter from a good friend of mine. I consider him a good YouTube friend anyways. He's from PEI. He's from Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Noel and I've been watching Noel since I think he first started posting, or nearly the first he started posting. Anyways, Noel's got a great channel. If you ever get a chance to watch Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood, I'll put a link in the description down below. I like his channel because Noel is a down-to-earth, honest-to-goodness, what you see is what you get kind of guy. And he just talks about what he does around his place there in PEI. Beautiful spot, nice, well, PEI is a beautiful spot anyways, but so much, you know, beauty to see. He's surrounded by it, and he's got more than enough garden tractors to keep his day busy with doing maintenance and mowing lawns and plowing snow and whatnot. So if you get a chance, go check him out. But anyway, Noel and I, like I say, have been YouTube friends for quite a while, you know, chit-chatting back and forth. And the other day I got an email from him asking for my mailing address because he had a little parcel he wanted to send me. So I wasn't sure what it was, and you know, I always feel bad when people offer me things because I don't return that generosity other than to say thank you and holy dine. That's awful nice of you to do that. But anyways, Noel sent me this package and he sent it in the mail. Now in Canada we've had a off and on postal strike now, it seems like all summer. So it took a little while to get here, even though it was coming from PEI, but you know, to get across the strait. He could have put it in a bottle and got here quicker, but anyways, I'm not gonna talk about that. But anyways, here it is. And first of all, I want to read you the note he sent in it. If I can find the note. What did I do? Oh, there it is. And like I say, Noel is a down-to-earth guy, and what you see is what you get. So here's his writing paper. It's just a tab ripped off the cardboard box. I love it, Noel. I love it, buddy. And he says, "Hi, Mike and Janet." And that's another thing. He always says hi to Janet. So Noel, thank you very much. And Janet always says hi back to you. But he says, "So I figured you would hang this up in your Massey motel, or maybe one of the TNN crew could use it if they needed it." Anyways, my wife made this sticker and put it on this hat, and I hope you get a kick out of it, Noel. And then a little note at the bottom, he says, "Pretty fancy writing paper, eh?" And it is. So I want to thank Noel, and I want to thank his wife for making up the sticker that he put on this hat. Now, wait till I show you the hat. I love this hat. Look at this. Got a nice Canadian flag on the back, eh? Gotta go for it, Canada. The true north, strong and free. Don't forget that, everybody. And then on the front, he's got the Massey Ferguson emblem with Massey Motel right across the front. And then a red tractor on either side. Oh, baby. That is just awesome, Noel. Thank you very, very, very much. And thank your wife, too, for doing those awesome stickers and cresting on the hat. I'm telling you, boy, I'm going to cherish this hat. It's a special hat for sure, and I love it. Thanks, Noel. Thanks very much. Thank your wife, too, for me. Give her a little hug from Nova Scotia. So the other thing I want to talk about on the channel is give you a little update. I want to talk a little bit about Nanny. Poor Nanny, she's having her problems, but she's doing okay, eh? Like, this is not a doom and gloom announcement. Poor Nanny. She's struggling, that's for sure, but she's holding her own, you know. She's a fighter. My God. I'm just amazed at the fortitude that she has to battle through all that she's going through. And anyway, one of the big things that's happened to her lately is her mobility has been severely limited. So she's in a wheelchair most times now, and consequently, because of that, I can't stay away from her for too long a period of time because she needs my help to move around, you know, to get in and out of the chair, things like that. So that is cutting into my time to make YouTube videos. And that's not a complaint, because to me, the important thing is I have to tend and look after Nanny. That's my top priority. The YouTube, although I love doing it, it's just a hobby. But Nanny is my life, right? So there you go. I love her more than anything. And I sure do appreciate all the well wishes. A lot of the viewers give her, every time they comment, they always say prayers for Nanny, or tell Nanny we're thinking about her, or how's Nanny doing, or how's Janet doing. And it's so nice to see that. It fills my heart, and it sure does make Nanny stay brighter too. So I appreciate all those well wishes. And like I say, Nanny is, she's not gravely ill, that's for sure, but she is struggling a little bit, and I'm going to be tending to her for the next little while. So the reason that I'm telling you all this is because I used to post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays at 5:30 at Atlantic time, and I'm not going to be doing that in the future, for the foreseeable future. I'll post videos whenever I can. I'm not stopping the channel. I still have tons of projects to do. It's just that to get any sustained time on a project, that's just not available to me right now. So it takes me a long time to do the project, and then after I do the project and video it, then I have to go and edit it. And I don't know whether you know or not, but I love the editing as much as I love making the projects. So I spend a lot of time editing a video. Like a video that's say 10-15 minutes long, it might take me 2-3 hours to edit, and that's okay. I'm not complaining. I love editing. So but the reason I'm saying all that is because I don't have that time to spend on YouTube anymore. I'll still make videos, but they won't be out. There won't be 2 a week, that's for sure. There might be every week, might be every 2 weeks, might be, might be a couple of weeks, 1 week, because I get a couple of good projects that I can get done and edit. If they're going to be random, that's what I'm trying to say. So anyways, I hope you understand, and I hope you keep on watching, because I enjoy when you watch and when you comment, because I've made a lot of good friends with all the viewers that I had on YouTube over the years. I consider you great friends. Like if you were to drive in the driveway here now and say, "Hey Mike, how's you going?" It would be like, "Hey, we've been old friends, and I'd love to have a chat with you." So, I don't want to lose that. So if you want to ring that little bell to get a notification when I'm posting a video, that would be great, because then you'll know when I'm going to post a video, because they're not going to be coming out regularly anymore, and then you won't miss any if that's important to you. I don't know if it is or not, but anyways, you ring the bell, you won't miss any. But yeah, continue please to leave the comments. And don't forget to thumbs up all those videos too, because I really like that. And I'll be doing more videos, don't worry. If that's a concern of yours, my channel is not going to die, that's for sure. So thanks a lot for watching. You know what? I just cannot believe the support I get through YouTube and all the positive comments. And there's some negative comments too, but I always look at the negative comments as someone has an idea that's maybe better or different than the one that I just showed in my video. And I like to query them about that idea, because I can learn from them. I'm not here telling you how to do anything. Like I've often said, my channel is not a how-to channel, it's a what I do channel, and I hope you all understand that, and I hope you enjoy how I do things, but it's certainly not a how-do channel. So anyway, enough talking. Let's move on, as they say. I don't know when the next video will be out, but it'll be an update probably on the attachment shelter. I was working on that a little bit today, but it's not totally finished, and I got to pick away at that some more. But I've got to get that done soon, get my attachments in there, because I'm supposed to get a big storm this weekend. Stay safe, everyone. All those people in Jamaica, in Cuba, and then now it's going into the Bermudas, and oh man, it's just terrible, the devastation. We had, when Hurricane Fiona went through here, I thought that was the worst thing that ever happened, and that was only a Category 1. Jamaica lived through a Category 5. Can you imagine? Category 5. So all our prayers are with the people in the Caribbean, Cuba, all those islands down in there. There's 101 of them, so I hope you are all doing well. Thanks for watching. Take care, folks. We'll talk to you soon.